we have to pick up cabinets that I had ordered at Home Depot. Some of them were custom sizes. This guy here, this guy did not make it through the trenches of being made and shipped. It's the next day, everyone. It's not the next day. It's the next day that I'm working on this kitchen. And welcome to the mess. So today we are packing up the kitchen, taking down the cabinets, the upper cabinets, and just trying to create some organized chaos. Meanwhile, this young man in there is going to be ripping up the carpet in here. So it's gonna be a lot of work.
With the help of the cat.
Of course, always. He's helping very hard. Very detailed. We could not work without the supervisor.
All right. If I put these.
Put them on top where the paint samples are. Yes, I'm changing the paint. Sorry. Not sorry.
Doesn't feel right. It's all right, Daisy.
Organized chaos.
All right.
Really, we have a plan.
We make a mess.
I love demo.
Hey, you like it big too much. Look out.
That plume of dust just come. Like sand. All right, guys, everything that I no longer want in the kitchen is going to be donated at the Goodwill. Okay, so that is, whoops, safety first. So that is all done. And now we have to pick up cabinets that I had ordered at Home Depot. Some of them were custom sizes. So the custom sizes I ordered, and they are here. They were here on the 13th, but they never called me or told me they were in. So I just happened to call them today and ask them if they were here, and they are. So Joe's meeting me at Home Depot so we can pick up the rest of the cabinets. I can get those doors off and we can start priming. So that's the plan with that. We took a little break to get this done, and we'll get back to demo here in just a little bit. All right, just because I'm curious. So this one is the bridge. This one will go over the refrigerator. So, 36 inches wide. 36 inches wide because the refrigerator is 36 inches. So we need to build a box surround for that. But I want to utilize every single ounce of space I can for extra storage. Okay, so where the stove is, I'm going to have a 30-inch and a 30-inch upper. This is a 30-inch and wide and a 36 tall, I believe. Please be good. We already had to take one back because the frame was broken. Yeah, there we go. Right, yeah. This is where the innard is. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Okay. All of the cabinets turned out good except for this guy here. This guy did not make it through the trenches of being made and shipped to me. So I'm going to have to send this guy back. Can I fix it? Yes. Is it the principle of the matter? Yes. So I will take this back to Home Depot, have them remake it and do it right. And that is the only one. So this is the 9-inch. This is what's going to go on the side of the stove, and we are going to make these into pull-out spice racks on one side, and on the other side is going to be a pull-out for the utensils or the cooking tools. I saw that at the hardware store, and I just absolutely love it. So now this one will have to go back, so I will have to package this back up and take this one back to Home Depot. Plus, here is the third tall wall cabinet, which is great, except they need to learn how to hang doors, but it did not come with a shelf, so I'm going to have to let them know that I need a shelf for that cabinet. Can I make it? Yes, I can. Principle of the matter though, I bought a cabinet that's supposed to have a shelf in it and it does not, so we will have to take that up with Home Depot. But other than that, that has been the only downfall with getting these cabinets. I don't like pressed wood. It's just engineered wood. It's just not a good wood. Anyway, it's gonna save me from having to make all these cabinets. Can I do it? Yes, I can. Do I have time? No, I don't, because I work full-time as a nurse. And I just don't have the time. So I'm gonna have to go with ready-mades. And here it is. So I can't wait to start on this project. I know. Get the doors off the ones that I can and start priming them. Let's go upstairs and start tackling demoing the existing cabinets. You're doing really good. I'm really impressed with your trumpet. I really like the little fast movement on the things. I'm so proud of you. Hit my head.
What you doing? You taking that? Are you okay? Let's take it out.
We may not need your help. My strong thighs will do the work.
The cat's like, you're taking down my block, my crawl space.
This is not the one you want, right?
I mean, it the same. Oh, that's the one that has the. Yeah, I guess that one.
Okay.
All things considered.
the gym.
Come here, kitty.
Going to the gym.
What?
Going to the gym.
He's going to the gym. Size.
Some big ones.
Alright. You want to get down and I can hold it until you. Don't scratch the couch up. Don't scratch the couch up. What? I want to have a good countertop in the garage.
Well, wow, guys, this is such hard work and it is so rewarding because I know as we continue demoing this kitchen, getting rid of the old cabinets and getting rid of the old floor so we can put the new floor and the new cabinets in, this is giving me such life and such happiness and joy I can't even explain to you guys. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Remember to press the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and the like button that shows the YouTube algorithm that, you know, it's worthwhile to watch for other people. Anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Next week's video, we are going to continue the demo on this project, and we are going to start priming the new cabinets and painting them. So I will see you guys in the next video, and hey, stay amazing, be amazing, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.